For centuries, the Easter Bunny has made his own candy. One day, he decided he needed better candy to upstage Santa Claus. The Easter Bunny began his quest, looking for the greatest tasting candy manufacturers. This is when he stumbled upon Gardener's Candies. He traveled to Gardener's Candies factory to see if their products were up to his standards. First, he met with Laura, who gave him a factory tour. She showed him how the chocolate is poured and then cooled. She showed him the workers popping the cooled chocolates out of the molds and sorting through the bins to make mixed boxes. The Easter Bunny carefully inspected the candies.
What's your favorite candy to make?
Favorite candy to make would be these bash eggs that we make. They're about this big and you can get them with peanut butter in them or chocolate covered pretzels, and we decorate them real pretty, and then you take this hammer and you smash them.
She showed him all the candies. She told him about making the chocolate safe.
Metal detector, because all of our production lines have metal and they're made of metal. There's always going to be metal that falls apart. So that's why every single one of our products goes through metal detection, so that we can make sure that that metal isn't getting out into our candy and causing harm to someone.
After seeing the manufacturing facilities, he went to visit one of the many stores.
We have 7 physical locations, but in Pennsylvania we also have probably about another 700 retail locations out there as well.
The store was bright and fun. Everyone at Gardener's Candy loves the Easter Bunny.
I really love it when the Easter Bunny comes in. He's so cute.
Who's your favorite customer?
Favorite customer's got to be the Easter Bunny.
I have to say the Easter Bunny.
Finally, he walked out with goodie bags full of treats for all the children in town.